All right, here it is, the Poolhacker solar light. And let's just unbox it. Embrace summer's brilliance. All right, so what we've got to do is put it all together. This is a bracket for it. We'll put that over there. Pop this out. And more bracketage. Set that there. And we've got some, looks like glue. This looks like the this is a remote, and to get it going, you got to pop this off of here. So that's the Poolhacker remote. See, now it's live, and it also, I think it has. Does it have a film over this? No, it doesn't. Okay, so that's the remote. Let's set that down here with the glue. And then, that's interesting though. Why does it have the plug in there? All right, well, so this goes in, and these little things here have to be smushed in. You see that? So I smush those and then just push it down, and they lock into these little grooves. This one, I got to get it in there. All right, that's it. And then this rolls out, and bam. This is your solar panel here. And this can connect to the side of the pool if you've got one of those outdoor pools. You know what I mean? Just like that. It locks in like that. And then this little rubber thing kind of holds on to it. And then these, look at this thing here. What do we got going on here? All right, so we're going to have to do a little bit more investigation on this. Okay, so this would be for, you know, one of those pools that's above ground. But we have an in-ground pool. So the way I think we get this out is we've got to push these two down and then just slide this out like that. And now we're ready to go. Now I think that we can just go ahead and, let's see, this one we don't want. But this one here I think would work for what we need. And so we would just pop it in like that. And that's it. And then this would set right on the pool, the exterior of the pool like this. And I think we're ready to go there. It has to charge up. It charges up off of this solar panel. And this is your on button here. Let's see if it's got a charge on it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. All right, so it's a press and hold, right? And then it comes on. And then we just got to put it in the pool. And then tonight we can check it out and see what it looks like. How's that grab you? Yeah. All right, so it does come with this. And let's just give it a shot and see if this works. Yep, so that's on. That's off. So let's turn it on. And we're in blue. Let's go red. Let's go orange. Let's go yellow. And we can do blue, purple, pink, green, white, and then off. All right, so that works. So we can use this, you know, we don't even have to go, we could just stand at the side of the pool and use our little remote, our Poolhacker remote. So yeah, that's it. So all we got to do now is just put it in the pool and let it charge up. And then tonight we'll take a look at it. How's that sound? All right, so here we go. I'm going to set it right over here. You know what I mean? I'm going to put it right there. And it's okay if it goes in the water. That's fine. And then we'll just leave it right there next to the plants. And then tonight we'll come out and we'll check it and see what we think. And that's basically how you do it right there. Yeah. Of course, I got to do a little bit of leaf. Get the leaves out of the pool. But yeah, that's going to work great.